This is a review for Godefroy hair color capsules. It comes inside of a packet like this, which has 4 capsules. It is in medium brown, what I ordered it. It has a mixing cup like this. And then it has a developer, which has it's white cream, what you mix both of them up in a cup. And it has a mixing little sticks as well. I use for mixing and applying a little tool like this, and usually it's for your eyes or eyebrows or your lipstick. I'm sure a lot of ladies have this. And let's see how we mix it up. Usually I have put all of the powder inside in here, but now I have started to put just a tad little bit of the powder with the developer. This is great for gray hair coverage, for your spots on your temples, for men, for mustaches, but I actually use it for my brows because I have naturally very light brows, so this works very well for me. Let's start applying it to my brows so you can see how light it is before. This is how it looks like. So we're gonna keep it on for 5 minutes right now, and we'll see how dark the brows are before and after. 5 minutes is done. Wet the paper towel and just rub it off. Now you can see before and after. It just gives a little bit of more color, especially if you're a girly who has very light hair. Just gives a little bit of more shape to your brows. They're more visible.